I have some happy mail. I would pick it up and show you the box, but it's too heavy. Our lady from, where was she from? Hermes, put it on the doorstep and went, bloody hell, that's heavy. So without more ado, let's see what's in the box. I have happy mail and it's from my good friend Phil Derbyshire. Thank you very much, Phil. Bentley's just come in as well to have a look. Just opened the box up and I've got some Spectrum Noir pens. Aqua pens.
Oh, the water ones.
The water ones, yes.
Not the alcohol ones.
Not the water ones, the alcohol ones. Let me just get a pair of scissors just to cut the bag and we can have a look. There's loads and loads and loads. I want some Sharpies. We like Sharpies. But no, they're brilliant, Phil. Thank you very much. They've got a very fine tip. Gosh, that is fine.
Fan at one end.
Fan at one end and
brush at
the other. Thank you very much for those, Phil. They're great. I'll move those to one side. I think I may be sharing them with somebody else.
Possibly, maybe.
Possibly, maybe. Just move those out of the way. And move the scissors. I'll keep the scissors out just in case.
Just in case.
Just in case.
So what else have you got in that box?
Well, it looks like we've actually got some, oh, lovely, some self-adhesive. Well, they're nice colours. Felt. Or it feels like baize.
Yeah.
You know, the baize, like a pool table, snooker table.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are lovely sheets. Self-adhesive backing.
Uh-huh.
Red, black. Oh, look at the colours. They're nice.
Lovely.
Look at those.
That's bright.
It is, isn't it?
It's like sunshine yellow.
You like sunshine yellow. These will be great for going on the bottom of boxes.
Yes, instead of using that felt.
Yes. Look at those. They're lovely. Thank you very much. I'll just roll those up to keep those safe. What else? Oh! Old valves. Thermionic valves. Just open them and show you what they are. These are the old radio valves. We're all too young to remember these, I'm sure, out there. So what I do is I put LEDs underneath them.
Yeah.
And the LEDs fluoresce through the tubes.
Yes.
And light them up.
Uh-huh.
They're brilliant. I've got 2 packs of those. Thank you very much. The belly's just gone out. I wonder what the noise was. I've got, oh, there's an envelope.
Have you got money?
Oh, these are nice. Oh, I like those. Dogs and cats.
Not just dogs and cats by the looks of it.
All sorts of, oh.
Bunnies.
Bunnies.
They look like Lavinia, don't they?
Don't they? Our friend Lavinia Stamps, she does this kind of thing. Oh, these are great. It'd be great for shadow boxes.
Yeah. Nice little backgrounds. I like the one underneath that one.
That one?
Yes.
Yeah, they're lovely. They're super. I'll put this back in the envelope. Oopsie daisy. That was getting away, literally. Printed on a nice paper as well. Oh, one says Mike on it.
Oh, that's interesting. Go on, open it for me then.
Yeah, that's it.
Just show where it says Mike on it, just so people don't think I'm... Go on. Making it up.
Ooh. Some stamps.
Oh, Crafter's Companion ones.
Nice butterflies.
Interesting.
Cupcake. Oh, they're nice, aren't they? Comes a bunny
Butterflies, huh? Oh.
They're lovely. They're very nice.
Yes.
I love the smell of rubber stamps. I remember when
we've actually been to the Crafter's Companion place where they actually press the stamps.
We have. Vicky.
Yes, do you remember her?
Vicky, lovely girl. What have we got here? Blooming heck.
I can see a propeller. Not just one, maybe.
Oh, these propellers are brilliant. I've been looking for something like this for a while. Oh, wow. Look at all these goodies. And you know something? I was going to have to buy some of these this week.
Were you?
Yeah, for a project I'm doing.
Oh, well, that's just saved you some pennies then.
Phil, thank you very much. There's all sorts in there. Oh, there's a
3-blade.
I like these. I've sprayed these copper. It'd be ideal.
Yeah.
I was thinking about something like that a while ago.
Marvellous stuff.
Just a bit. How to get excited over copper pipe. What else have we got?
And more.
The bag
Copper
of-
pipe and more. Big pair of pipe cutters in there.
There is a pipe cutter in there as well. All sorts of little boxes. That's the electrical box. More joints.
More
and little grommets.
propellers. Mr. Bentley's pawing my leg.
Some more.
Yeah, more of
More
those
what?
propellers. He's after a treat, I think. He's been out for
Hang
a
on
wee
then.
wee.
Hang on then. Hang on then. See, this is his treat box. He like. Oh, that's a bit big, isn't it? A bit big.
Just cut it down.
For anybody who's vegetarian out there, I do apologise.
Do it behind the box so you can't see.
It's duck.
Can't see that.
Chicken.
Chuck chuck.
Chuck chuck.
Go on then, take it in there.
He loves that. He wants to take it outside.
Kill his nose. Eat it there.
Put those away.
Right, so where were we?
Where were we? Yes.
Sorry,
So
just the doggy interlude.
Yes. Doggy lewd. Flipping heck, no wonder this box was heavy. Wow.
More
I think
stamps.
Phil's been having a proper clear out. We were just talking about florals the other day, weren't we?
We were. Dreamies, yes.
Got some nice florals there, Mike. Oh,
Like a mini stencil.
I'm not sure what you do. I should have to read about that. But these are lovely, aren't they?
Oh, they're nice little scroll works.
Yes.
The trees.
They're beautiful, yes. Oops, little leaves.
Oh, they're nice.
They're always handy though.
I like those.
Good for mark making. Oh, another big bag.
Bottles of glitter. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear.
He's only allowed glitter outside.
This is Ian's worst nightmare, this.
There's all different colours in there. Look at those. So they can go back in there and you can play with those outside in the garden.
Ian's greatest fear, getting glitter on the carpet.
Oh, God, yeah, you're not kidding. Got some little motors.
Nice.
They're nice.
Wonder if they work.
I'm sure they do. They're from our friends in China.
Just turn it round so I can show it to that's better. Very
Tiny
nice.
little motors. They're great.
I wonder if they attach to the little propellers.
I think they probably do, which could be fantastic.
Maybe they'll actually create something which flies.
Little switches.
Oh, they're cute.
They're cute, aren't
I
they?
like the little colours.
They probably light up as well, with them being coloured.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not sure about that. But they're great. They're really handy.
Nice. That sounds heavy.
Yay!
Copper pipe.
Copper pipe. Can never have enough copper pipe. Look at the effect on there with it's got damp. Wet. That's
Fantastic.
Lovely.
Patina.
Patina, whoever she is.
We're
Oh, sorry about that.
Patina Grayson.
Patina. And we've got some clips and spades.
Lovely.
Electric connectors.
Lovely stuff.
That's cool. We have some metallic gold spray.
Seasonal metallic spray.
Yeah. We have some silver sparkle.
Nice.
We have some heavy duty spray adhesive. That's handy. It's very handy, is that?
More heavy duty spray
Yeah.
adhesive.
And you could use that art masking fluid.
Lovely. Oh, it's white.
Yeah.
The stuff I've got's blue.
Yes. And we have some little circles and some twine.
Circles.
Just open this. These would be great for doing your.
Ah, right.
They're not good for journals actually.
Possibly, yes. Depending on the tags, circular tags.
Yeah, be good those. That's good. Those are over there. And blooming neck. They're cute little tags.
Wow.
They're lovely those. They'd be nice for journals.
Yeah. Or possibly writing prices for your machines when you do your shows.
Oh, that's a good idea, Mike. And we have. What have we got in here. Looks sparkly. Oh, it's acetate.
Oh wow.
Different acetates.
Are they die cut?
Yes, they are.
How very unusual.
God, how unusual, aren't they? It's all different sort. Oh, butterflies are nice, Mike.
Mmm.
They'd be nice to go on a journal, actually. Butterflies.
Very strange. What do you want?
Something to eat, probably.
He's just had a treat. He's not having another one.
Yeah. And then, oh, excellent. It says ribbon on it.
Huh?
We were wanting some ribbon.
Oh, you needed some more black ribbon, didn't you?
Yes, I got some more black ribbon for the some of the journals I was working on.
Good grief.
I think we've got plenty to go on there.
Good
Gosh.
grief. Oh, is that baker's twine?
It is.
Hello. Mr. Bentley's clawing at me now.
Some nice ribbon there.
He's pawing at me.
I tell you, we'll be fighting. I tell you, we'll be fighting for this Lindy Lou. I'll let Lindy have some of the pink ones because she likes the pink.
Oh, black. There you go. You say you wanted black.
Yep.
And
Perfect.
two different widths.
Oh, there's all different widths. Look at that one.
Has that got wire in it?
No, it doesn't. That'd be good for your Halloween,
Yes.
wouldn't it?
It's almost like mummy wrap.
Yeah, it is.
That's a lace one.
There's all sorts in here. All
Maybe there's
sorts.
two or three lace ones in there, isn't there?
Well, I'm bowled over. Thank you very much, Phil. Well, I'm bowled over, Phil. Thank you very, very much for all this lot. This is brilliant. I've been wanting to get some more motors. I've been needing some more copper fittings. There's a lot of stuff here that's great. A lot of stuff Mike can get some use out of, and I think our friend Lindy Lou might end up stealing some.
And I think there might actually be one or two bits and pieces there that could be donated to Mum.
Oh yes, Mum loves the flower lily stamps, doesn't she?
She does.
Once again, thank you very much, Phil, and I'll see you all again soon.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.